No one really tells you this, but designing a website from scratch with Figma's AI tool isn't hard. It's just usually explained in a super complicated way. I learned that the hard way after trying to sketch wireframes on paper and then dragging rectangles in old school design software, and it was literally exhausting. I remember staring at blank canvases, second guessing every layout choice, and feeling like I was already behind before I even started. It felt like there were so many rules, so many tools, and so many steps that nobody ever explained in a simple human way. So in this video, I'll walk you through 3 super clear steps that show you how to get a beautiful, professional website design using a much smarter, beginner-friendly approach. This is the exact process I wish someone had shown me earlier, because it removes all the overwhelm and replaces it with clarity and confidence. You'll be totally obsessed with how easy this is. The link to Figma is in the description, but there's no special discount, just the program itself. Step 1. Ideate and structure with FigJam AI. Now here comes my absolute favorite part. Using FigJam AI to brainstorm and structure your website. This is where everything finally starts to feel fun instead of stressful, because you're not guessing anymore. You're starting with ideas that actually make sense and flow together. When I opened FigJam and typed, I want a homepage for a bakery with a menu, gallery, and contact info, the AI literally mapped out my entire site structure in seconds. I was like, wait, this is super cute and actually makes sense. It wasn't just random boxes on a screen, it felt thoughtful and intentional, like someone had already done the planning for me. First, we start by opening FigJam and creating a new board. This gives you a clean space where you can think visually without pressure. Then, click the AI Assistant or Ask FigJam button. This is where the magic starts, and honestly, it already feels like you're cheating in the best way possible. Next, describe your website's purpose and must-have sections in 1 or 2 sentences. You don't need fancy language here, just be clear and simple about what you want. After that, let the AI suggest a sitemap and flow like home, menu, gallery, about, contact. Seeing everything laid out like this instantly removes confusion and helps you understand what your website actually needs. Meanwhile, you can drag, drop, and rearrange the sticky notes or flowchart shapes to match your vision. This part feels very hands-on and creative without being overwhelming or technical. Here's what most people don't know. FigJam AI can even suggest user journeys like visitor lands on homepage, checks menu, then books a table. This is a total game changer for beginners. It helps you think like a real designer without having years of experience. But the real magic happens when you use Figma's AI design plugins to turn your ideas into real beautiful pages. Step 2. Generate and assemble UI with AI design plugins. Now here comes my totally obsessed part. Watching Figma's AI plugins literally build your website's UI for you. This is where everything you planned suddenly becomes visual, colorful, and exciting. It honestly feels unreal the first time you see it happen. When I used the Magician plugin and typed Modern Hero section with a call to action button, the AI generated a layout, picked colors, and even wrote the headline. I literally gasped. It looked like something from a top agency. It didn't feel generic or boring, it felt polished and intentional right away. First, we start by opening your Figma design file. This is where all your pages will live and come together. Then, install an AI design plugin like Magician or Designer Bot from the Figma community. There are so many options, but these make it super simple to get started fast. Next, select a frame or section and type your prompt, like add a testimonials section with 3 customer quotes. You're basically just describing what you want to see. After that, let the AI generate the layout, text, and even images. Watching it appear in seconds is honestly addictive. Meanwhile, drag and drop the generated sections into your page, rearrange as needed, and repeat for each part of your site. This makes the whole process feel modular and flexible instead of rigid. Here's what most people don't know. Figma's AI plugins can generate real copy, icons, and even illustrations. If you're stuck on what to write, just ask the AI for a headline or product description. It's literally a creative partner. But the real game changer is how easy it is to turn your design into a clickable prototype and get it ready for launch. Step 3. Refine, prototype, and prepare for handoff. Now here comes my super satisfying part. Refining your design, making it interactive, and getting it ready for developers or launch. This is where your project stops feeling like a mock-up and starts feeling like a real website. When I linked my buttons to other pages in Figma's prototype mode, I literally previewed my whole website like a real app. I was totally obsessed with how real it felt. No code needed. It honestly gives you so much confidence seeing everything work together. First, we start by reviewing your design for consistency. Check colors, fonts, and spacing. This step makes your site feel professional and intentional instead of messy. Then, use Figma's Prototype tab to link buttons and navigation to the right pages. This is much easier than it sounds and incredibly satisfying once it works. Next, click Present to preview your interactive website. This is where everything finally comes together visually. After that, share your design with friends or teammates for feedback. Just send them the Figma link. Getting fresh eyes on your work can make a huge difference. Meanwhile, use Figma's export tools to save assets or generate code snippets for developers. This keeps everything organized and ready for the next step. Here's what most people don't know. Figma's Inspect mode gives developers all the CSS measurements and assets they need. You don't have to write a single line of code, but your site will look exactly how you designed it. Now let's talk about how much time and money you're saving with this approach. If you hired a professional web designer, $3,000 to $10,000, that's not even counting revisions, delays, or back and forth emails that stretch the timeline for weeks. If you learned traditional web design, 6 to 12 months of classes and practice, plus the mental fatigue of learning multiple tools at once, and still not feeling confident enough to launch. With Figma's AI tools, less than the cost of a new pair of sneakers, and you can have your site designed in a weekend. You're not trading quality for speed. You're finally using tools that work with you instead of against you. This comparison really puts things into perspective and shows how powerful this workflow actually is, especially if you want real results without burning out or breaking the bank. But what if I'm not creative? The AI literally does the creative heavy lifting for you. You just guide it. You're not expected to come up with perfect layouts or clever copy from scratch. Your input shapes the outcome without pressure, and you can explore ideas freely without feeling stuck or judged. What if I don't know what sections I need? FigJam AI suggests the best structure based on real websites. You're never starting from zero, and that alone removes so much anxiety. Instead of guessing, you're building on proven patterns that already work for users. Will my site look generic? Nope. You can customize every detail, and the AI adapts to your brand. Colors, fonts, spacing, layout, you're always in control. Your personality still shines through, and the final result feels intentional and unique to you. Is this really beginner-friendly? Totally. If you can drag and drop, you can design a site with this. It's that simple. You don't need a design background, technical skills, or prior experience, just curiosity and a willingness to try. Immediate result. Your website design is ready in hours, not months. You can move from idea to finished design faster than ever before. Social benefit. Show off your new site to friends, family, and clients. It feels incredibly rewarding to share something you built yourself. Financial benefit. Save thousands in design and development. That money stays in your pocket or goes toward growing your project instead. Creative benefit. Express your vision with zero stress. You stay inspired instead of overwhelmed, and the process actually feels enjoyable. Ready to design your own website the smart way? This is the moment where everything you've seen comes together and turns into action. You don't need to overthink it, plan for weeks, or wait until you feel ready. The entire point of this process is that you can start exactly where you are and learn by doing. Click the link in the description to try Figma's AI tools for yourself. No special code needed, just the program. Open it up, experiment, play around, and let the AI guide you step by step as you build something you're actually proud of. Join our community, drop your questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more super cute beginner-friendly tutorials. This is where you stop watching from the sidelines and start creating real projects with confidence. Your dream website is literally just a few clicks away. Let's make it happen together.